Hi guys, I'm going to show you today how to use Loom. Loom is a screencasting recording website. You can use it on the web or it has a desktop version. So you can get either of these. This is for recording your screen. You have a couple options. You can do video only. You can do video and desktop. So maybe you want them to see your face while you're trying to explain something, or you can just show your desktop. So this is a really great website. It is free. You just have to sign up. So you can see this is my personal library. So if I wanted to make a video to show you how to do something, I would simply go to Loom and I would click new video and I would say record a video. You can upload a video that you already have, or you can record a new one. Here it gives you your options: screen only, screen and camera, camera only. So I'm going to say only my screen, and I'm going to say my full desktop. You can see that my microphone is working. Make sure it's working before you make a recording. There's nothing worse than making a long recording and then listening back and there is no sound. So when you're ready and you have the tab up that you want, you're going to hit start recording. It's going to ask you, do you want to, is this my desktop? Do you want to see this or do you want to see this? And I'll say, I want to see this screen. You could also pick a different application window or a different tab, which I think is pretty neat. So I'm going to say, go ahead, share this. It's going to give me a countdown so I know when to start. And here I have my control panel. So here it has a menu. It has the cancel recording. So if you make a mistake and you're like, I have to cancel, hit the cancel button. If you want to pause and maybe pull something else up that's not up right now, you can do that. And it's really seamless when you go to watch it back. When you finish, you're going to hit the finish recording button. So everything that's out in this screen area here will be captured, and it can see your mouse moving. If I were to click something here, it would show you. So it stays with you in real time as you click buttons. And when you're done, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel recording because obviously this was nothing. And so if you did hit finish, it would just be processing for you and then you would have access. You could either give people a link or you could download it and maybe upload that somewhere where they would have access. You could send it around in an email. So that's Loom. I highly recommend it. I really like it. It's great. So if you're looking for a screencasting tool that's easy to use, Loom is for sure one of those. Thanks.